My name is DJ Mook, and I'd like to talk about Millennium Goal number 3, which includes acceptance. Typically, people only believe what they see and judge a person by how they act. They don't allow themselves to get to know someone to find out how they really are. I have Asperger's syndrome and high-functioning autism. That means I don't understand things like nonverbal communications or body language. What I don't get is slang because I only understand literal terms. For example, when someone says, "go fly a kite," they meant to say, "go away." To me, it meant for me to go outside and fly a kite. And that just didn't make sense. People see me as acting silly or what they think is immature. That's because I'm younger on the inside than I am on the outside. I have no friends and spend most of my time alone. I really enjoy going to school, but people think I'm different, so I get teased, made fun of, and worst of all, bullied. And that makes my school day even harder. I'm a very loving, kind, and smart kid. Once people get to know me, they learn I have a big heart to share, but most people don't even try.